When creating new Microsoft users in Augmentt Engage, you can create templates to help streamline the process. To create an onboarding template, navigate to Engage and then User Management. In the top right corner, click on Default Settings and then Onboarding. Templates can be set globally or per customer. For this training, we will set a template for one company. You can configure the username format, domain, country, license assignment, and password settings. You can also select the groups that you want to assign the new users to. Once you are satisfied with your template, save your settings. Now, when you create a new employee, the items you selected will be pre-filled.
That's my minute. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.